What is going on, guys? So today I got a quick tip in Valheim, and it is max fall damage. So the max fall damage in this game is 100. So if you have more than 100 health, you'll see in the bottom left hand corner I have 137. You can jump off an extreme height and survive at the bottom. So you can see my buddy's building a platform down there. So I'm going to jump all the way off the top of this mountain and take only 100 damage and survive. So 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we hit that. We hit that. Let's go. So that, there you go. 100 damage, and I'm healing back up because I got rested buff. But yeah, that is a quick tip in Valheim, guys. So what is going on, guys? Just wanted to add a quick thing in this video. So in order to get the 100 damage, you have to hit one platform or one piece of land. If you like are rolling down the mountain, if you hit one like cliff and then you roll down and you hit another piece of cliff, you will take more than 100 damage. You'll probably take 100 twice or something like that, or maybe 100 and then 40 and then you're dead. So just keep that in mind. We'll try it again here. I'm going to jump off this platform, and I rolled, but I only hit one platform at the bottom here. So if I were to roll off this platform, and if it was small and then hit another one, I would take more damage and potentially die. So that is it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.